All right, Beth. Gonna be getting onto the Cannonball Trail here in a minute. No music, no talking, just the sounds of nature. I don't even remember the last time I was out here. And it's been that long. I think it's before I was with you know who. Now there's two parts here. There's a South Fork, which goes all the way to White House, and there's a North Fork, which goes all the way to the Fulton County line. And I'm not going to go that far, because I don't plan to. You never know what might transpire. I may wind up going down there. I doubt it, though. I've already done 21 miles. We'll just see what happens. Now let's just enjoy the ride. The sounds of nature. God, I love doing that. Oh, man. Oh. A couple benches would be nice. That way, let's say I want to stop and just take a break, I'll at least have somewhere to sit. No, I just got to sit on the ground. You want to take a break. And they've got more than enough room to put a few benches here and there. Oh, baby squirrel. Cute. Supposedly they're supposed to pay the Fulton County extension that goes from Fulton Lucas County line all the way out to Montpelier. Actually, I don't know if it's going to be paved that far, but the majority of it's supposed to be paved. So I don't know if I want to ride down there and find out. And that's another 10 miles. Already gone 1.5 miles from Jerome Road. See, they've got all kinds of room here for a couple benches. Ah! I did put one in. Alright, it is now 1:54. I'm going to give you a helmet view for a little bit. You can see a little more of the surroundings. We've done 23.2 miles so far since I left home. Looks like there's something in my shoe. Ah, pretty day. Clear, clear. If I lived out here, you can bet I'd be riding this all the time. The only time I would have to ride on the road, well really I wouldn't even have to ride on the road at all. Now if I had a job, yeah, then it would be a little bit different, but you know, 90% of the time I wouldn't even have to ride on the road. Just take this nice bike trail. Seemingly just goes on and on and on. It seems like it just goes on forever. But everything's got its limits. It's about 2 o'clock. I'm back home in time for supper. I'm not even sure what Kenner Road. Bench. There are benches sporadically around. Just few and far between, but yeah, a little restroom there. That's cool. Nicest places to stop. You have to go to the bathroom or just want to relax for a minute. park. Nice little gazebo over there. Not going too fast, too slow, and just trying to keep it steady. This almost makes you just not want to go back to Sylvania. Knowing I have to. Kind of bummed. Oh well. Can't have it all. For those of you that want to know how fast I'm going, about 12 miles an hour. Nice pace. Actually, it's about what I average as a whole. New roundabout. I'm not sure what intersection that is. What's going on down here? No, it looks like a maintenance vehicle. This looks like a fire engine. I think it's a maintenance truck. A little lake. about 13 and a half. Steady as she goes, steady. Four miles from Jerome Road. Here we go. 25 and a half miles since I left home. The road. This will be the extent of my riding for the whole weekend. Tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday. This is the equivalent to about 4 or 5 days worth of riding. What happened? Oh, they're replacing the boards, I think. Shouldn't be all that far from the Fulton County line. If I were to guess, I would have to say 6-7 miles. A pretty day. A nice way to bring the summer season to a close. You can tell when you get closer to the Fulton County line, the trail will actually start to narrow some. Good indicator that you're about out of Lucas County. Stretch for a minute. Let me check. No, I'm curious. Let's see how far I am from the Fulton County line. Maybe like about 8 miles. Four miles. Is that it? No. .3 miles. Huh. Let's figure about 4 miles from the county line. Well, in that case, I will continue. It's not that much further. White House Spencer Road. Itch. .215, about 20 or 25 minutes from the county line. Should be back in my place by 4:30, roughly. 6 miles in. Another place to sit. Oh, now they're starting to put some benches down. That's good. Really, they should put a bench down every, let's say maybe every half mile to mile. Maybe every mile. One bench every mile. $2.95. There's where it starts to narrow up, like I mentioned earlier. We're getting close. $28 miles in. I don't care. Like I said earlier, this is the extent of my riding for the next 4 or 5 days, at least. Seven miles. Wilkins Road. Oh, Opening's Metro Park's right over to the left here. At this point in time, about 36 miles from Durham Road. 36 minutes, I should say. About 7.5 miles. Sign, just leave it on. Girdham Road. Eight miles in. Kind of rough. That's okay. $14. Step it up just a hair. Still trying to keep it steady. Slow and steady wins the race. horse trail to my right. Alright, downgraded the resolution to 2.7K 60. I think this might be Fulton County line up here, I'm not sure. 229. Just about to turn 30 miles from home. 9 miles from Jerome Road. Around 8. Morning. About 8 miles from Jerome Road. I was in line when I said this trail would narrow up the closer you got to the Fulton County line. 30 miles. $14. Everything good?
Yep.
All right, have a good day. Waterville Swanton Road. County line should be straight ahead. Ah. 232. All right, let's continue on. Just over a mile from the Fulton County line. It's 236. I think they put a bench right there. Or one right here.
Kelly Blue Book Instant Cash offers that offer to buy your car and your vehicle ID info, answers some questions, and get an obligation offer to sell it or trade it for all of the hits. KBB.com hit. Traffic every 15 minutes. Next report at 2:48 on Town Rivers on New Jersey 101.5. New Jersey 101.5 instant weather. A coastal flood advisory posted for the Jersey Shore and Delaware Bay and Delaware River Basin during this evening.
Deminsky and Doyle for a little bit. Fulton County line right here. 9.2 miles.
Lori and Manville, you're on New Jersey 101.9.
Hi, I love you guys, but my daughters, they did their intern there, Melissa and Jessica Jones. Yeah, the Jones sisters. She has 2 daughters now.
Yeah, no, I know exactly what you're talking about. Are they in New Jersey or out of state?
They're from New Jersey, yeah.
New Jersey girls. Yeah.
New Jerseyers.
Anyway, my town is a liver, and it was a short story. When we grew up, I grew up with my parents, we had 4 kids, we weren't very wealthy, so we only went to Adventure once a year.
14.
Day before Great Adventure, Sweet River. If we didn't eat it, we didn't go. If I ever see
Let's see, the South Fork ends at, pavement ends at Fulton County line, but it continues on through Fulton County. That's all hard packed grass and gravel. This must be new. I don't know how far this goes. Jesus.
Every single bite of it that you had to swallow, it was an effort, right? Because it was like, there you go. There you go. So what people have against me?
That's my that and tuna casserole. I don't ever want to eat tuna casserole again. I ate it for a year straight when my father died and my mother left it. Straight every night, tuna casserole.
Friday Penguin went to the castle. All right, Lori, thanks for your call. All right, say hi to the kids. All right, our phone number is 1-800-283-101.5. Now, we're not saying food that is universally disliked. It could be that, like a lot of people don't like liver. But we're saying even if everybody else seems to love it, but you just hate it, that's fine too. Simply what is a food you can't stand, a food that you would be more than happy if they just disappear from the planet. 1-800-283-101.5. Black licorice is awful. Black licorice stew. It's the best. Honestly, I would be fine if licorice itself just went away completely. Like, I've never thought to myself, you know what I need to buy right now? I need some licorice. It's kind of like the only time I would eat licorice is if I have like a sweet tooth, and I would never buy it if I'm over somebody's place and they had absolutely nothing else. They had no marshmallow peeps. You gotta go hunting for the black jelly beans in your Easter. Those licorice jelly beans. Okay, I'm not even a big fan of jelly beans, but 100 times over I would pick jelly beans over any kind of licorice. But the black licorice, it's kind of bitter, isn't it? Yeah. Good. Very unique taste. See, my taste buds is better. What about you? What's a food that you just can't stand?
Seafood. Ugh.
Hey, Gregory.
not sure how far this is going. I'm going. I didn't expect this to be paved at all. So this is all new. Honestly, I don't even know how far this is going to go.
Fried chicken, oh God, no. No, never did. Fried chicken nuggets are good too. Oh, no, never did. Does anybody eat like lungs? Like, give me some sheep lungs. There's a good organ meat. Hey, where's some pancreas? Get that on my plate. No, that's people too.
This fence is all new too. Yeah, this is new.
Yeah, I'm sure there are some people. Yeah, absolutely. We're talking about foods that if it were banned from the planet, you would have no problem with it. What is a food like that for you that you just cannot stand? We know somebody who, as unlikely as it seems, absolutely cannot stand thinking about eating a banana, which is another universal food.
I'm not a fan of bananas either.
Yes, like you could have like a pretty boring fruit palate, and banana would be on your list, you know? But like, cut it up in your cereal? Oh yeah, people do that all the time. Sure. Wasn't it Elvis that did a peanut butter and banana sandwich? I believe you were correct. Yeah, there you go. So what is,
Some more benches would be nice.
for you? We'll take more of your calls coming up.
All space in the world for one right here.
Any kind of soup. Now this one I know I'm in the minority. Even chowder? Oh God, especially chowder. It looks like chowder. 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 It looks like it was pre-chowder. A lot of great soup. Oh God. Chili now? You like chili? The chunkier the soup, the worse. No, and you know what? I'm not really a fan of chili either. Chili could go away, and I would be more than fine.
If I had an e-bike and I had a 100-mile range,
It is, right, that's
I would be able to go a lot
probably
further.
like the banana thing. I will be honest. I will admit that.
As they say, you only get about 30 or so miles to a leg.
Food you hate it the most. 1-800-283-101.5.
Hey, Steve Trevelise.
Already 32 miles in.
101.5. We'll talk pizza with singer Paul Marzano and Guy Manson, organizers of the Seaside Heights Pizza Crawl this Saturday, of which I am the grand marshal. And of
245, one on 246.
course, also available on demand at NJ1015.com.
Steve Trevelise.
Already 2.5 hours into this trip.
Thursday through Thursday, 7 to 11 on New Jersey 101.5. Wanting to sell your car, but have been waiting until you
Alright, I'll go to the next corner and then I'm going to turn around. Or the next intersection.
the most money for your vehicle at sellyourcarnow.com. Just visit sellyourcarnow.com. Enter your license plate number and get your quote. For a new car, save on a new Jeep during your Jeep Adventure Week. The car market could change at any time, so take advantage of this exciting opportunity while you can. Get started today at sellyourcarnow.com. Wish you could just stroll down Main Street to shop tonight. Well, now you can. When you visit the shops at Canvastown and Ewing, they have it all, including home goods, shops, restaurants, and services in a safe, all Main Street setting. It's not for a break in time.
14.
Every Monday, underneath the free with a soul contract. Tuesdays, it's all you can eat food.
15.
Sunday, over $5 more. Get the full list of daily food and drink specials at ArcusNewJersey.com.
Top name furniture.
Oh, where's the next junction at?
Up to 50% off suggested retail prices. Flemington Department Store has the brands and styles you want, many made in America during its anniversary sale. Up to 50%
I think this is it up here.
suggested retail prices on most quality sofas, chairs, recliners, Benjamin dining room sets, and unique access. Found on display in their 3-acre showroom. It's the sale you've been waiting for. Hurry in and see.
This is beautiful.
Flemington Department Store. It's worth the trip.
Flemington Department Store, the Tri-State's largest independent Celium Stearns & Foster gallery, is having a sale on quality mattresses. Most items in stock and ready for quick free delivery. Save up to $800 on select Stearns & Foster mattresses and up to $300 on select quality Celium Posturepedic Plus mattresses. Plus,
What's this up here?
$100 Flemington gift card with the purchase of a Celium Hybrid, Brenham, or Stearns & Foster mattress. Hurry in
Ah,
and
this is someone's
save.
house.
Department Store, it's worth the trip. If you want to achieve top dollar when you sell your home, you need an agent who can create an auction-like effect. Buyers compete for your home and drive up the price. Hi, this is Eric Scott, and that's why I need my friend Rob McCann to be a Remax First Advantage.
Turn around right here.
Your home sold
Fulton County Line, Road 3. 33 miles in.